Good evening. He calls it fulfilling his commitment to the people of Kentucky. Today, Governor Bevin issued 5 executive orders.
And one of his changes involves changing the state's marriage license form. Over the summer, Rowan County Clerk Kim Davis refused to issue marriage licenses to same-sex couples because of her religious beliefs. She took issue with her name being on those licenses. And today, Governor Bevin issued an order removing the county clerk's name from Kentucky marriage licenses. Monique Blair is live in the newsroom with reaction, first on Fox.
Well, Marvin and Erica, supporters of Governor Bevin's order he filed today, are really saying that now everyone is treated fairly.
What a wonderful Christmas present to the state of Kentucky.
Back in July, Casey County Clerk Casey Davis defied the Supreme Court's ruling and refused to issue marriage licenses. He didn't go to jail because he didn't face a federal lawsuit, like fellow county clerk Kim Davis.
The issue with me was never to be unfair with anyone. The issue to me was, as much as anything, was to be fair to everyone.
But now Casey Davis hopes that a lawsuit is never a possibility now that Governor Bevin has issued an order that will remove county clerks' names from marriage license forms.
I think Kim Davis would have never gone to jail should Mr. Beshear have acted in the same manner, and he could have done it.
The American Civil Liberties Union of Kentucky represents the plaintiffs who sued Kim Davis. They didn't want to talk to us on camera, but they did release a statement in reference to the order saying, in part, quote, "The requirement that the county clerk's name appear on marriage licenses is prescribed by Kentucky law and is not subject to unilateral change by the governor, conceded by the previous administration in court filings." The Liberty Counsel represents Kim Davis. Senior litigation counsel Roger Ganem told me he wasn't surprised to hear there are critics to Governor Bevin's order.
Any objection or critique of this order isn't based on the availability of marriage licenses. It's not based on being treated equally. It's based solely on not being able to handle that some people disagree with same-sex marriage.
House Speaker Greg Stumbo released a statement today saying he agreed with Governor Bevin's order. He says it's a simple fix, and he applauds the governor for finding a way to balance the law and the concerns that county clerks had. Live in the newsroom, Monique Blair for the Fox 56 10 o'clock news.
Governor Bevin also issued 4 other executive orders today. One of them suspends former Governor Steve Beshear's order that reinstated voting rights for convicted felons. Governor Bevin says he supports the measure, but feels it should go through the legislature first. Another order put a freeze on hiring for all state government positions until the governor says he can analyze if open positions need to be filled. And another order suspends a planned minimum wage increase for state workers.